you got cooking smells so good. Everyone's looking. Uncle Chris. Uncle Chris.
Hey nieces and nephews, that time is upon us. Holiday cooking, which means holiday seasoning. We're going to season the turkey with one bottle. Yes, we're going to make holiday seasoning really easy, really simple, real quick. Let me show you how. Come on, let's go. Get all your seasonings together that you're going to use to season your turkey. We're going to start with our poultry seasoning. We're also going to start with an empty, big seasoning container that you've already used up. We're going to use equal parts of each. Let's put in our poultry seasoning first. I'm going to put in some thyme. I'm going to put in some ground sage. I'm going to put in some parsley. Some onion powder. Some garlic powder. Some black pepper. Some chicken bouillon. Salt-free. You can use the salty kind if you want to. And some salt-free seasoning of your choice, if you so desire. Put your other spices away. Put your cap on this. Hold the top on there. Make sure it's on there. Shake it up. Check this out. All your spices are in one bottle, and the rest of your spices are put away. So when it comes to Turkey Day, you'll have let this set overnight so all the spices marry together. That day you just pull this one bottle out of your cabinet, start seasoning, and put it away. Everything stays nice and tidy. Everything stays nice and neat. You don't have to worry about, did I put in this, did I put in that? It's already in here. Quick tip from Uncle Chris. Got some more tips for the holidays coming up. All right. Big love.